Ford Motor Company is dedicated to acknowledging the hard work that teachers like Mr. Bonner here put in year after year, bringing up the next generation of world changers. Here at Hennessy Ford Lincoln Atlanta, we are excited that we have been selected as the pickup location for Mr. Bonner's Ford F-150 Lightning that has been generously donated by Ford Motor Company. Mr. Bonner, congratulations. Here are your keys. Now let's get you behind the wheel.
Let's go. All right. This, oh my gosh, this is so It's on? I can't hear anything. Is the truck really on, people? This is crazy.
You're behind the wheel finally.
Yes, yes.
So what are your first impressions of the F-150 Lightning?
It is so smooth. I am a first-time truck owner, and this is mind-blowing. I see why so many are actually wanting to order this truck. It is so smooth, it is so powerful. When we took off, I had to grab it by both hands, you know? So I think Ford should be extremely proud of the product they have designed. It takes off in a beautiful grade. I mean, it's luxurious at the same time, also in sport mode. So I'm feeling great. I have so many emotions right now.
Well, playing off those emotions, what does it feel like to be one of the first Ford F-150 Lightning owners?
I heard about the wait time and I'm still blown away. I pulled up and I saw the truck. It's sitting there. I ordered the black color. It is so beautiful and gorgeous. And to know that I'm one of the very few to have it, especially during this time, the supply chain shortage, yes. I'm so grateful that Ford has done this to actually donate to a teacher, and I'm just overall just feeling blessed. I'm blessed and in bliss. How about that?
I love that.
Yes.
So, blessed and in bliss, your Ford F-150 Lightning, donated by Ford Motor Company.
Yes.
What do you plan on using this truck for?
So, because I'm an educator, 2.6 million teachers quit the profession in the past 2 years due to the pandemic.
Wow.
So, Ford was generous with me to actually take the opportunity to give me a brand new truck. So what I want to do is I want to see how many books can we fit in the trunk of the truck. And I want to go to a lot of well-deserving schools that need literacy, that need books, that need materials, and actually help them in the process. So Ford is giving to me, and I plan on working with my foundation to make sure I give back just like Ford did for me.
That is incredible. We love to hear about teachers giving back. They are some of the most generous people pouring into our students and our children day after day. So we cannot say thank you enough, and thank you to Ford Motor Company enough for this opportunity. One final question. What is your favorite feature or features so far of your F-150 Lightning?
So I am a technology pundit. I love technology so much. So to see the 15.5-inch screen, to see that they have charging locations and that the car can start itself up and have it cooled for you or heated for you.
Always
the innovation with the application of the phone, the innovation with ports on both sides. There's multiple ports in and out. It's spacious. I'm about 6'4", 6'5", so it is so perfect in how it fits with me. So there's so many features, so many more I get the chance to discover. The display, it's bright, it's beautiful, it's minimalist at the same time. So there's too much, not a lot of chaos. So I'm just overwhelmed right now, Alex. This is perfect for me. And yeah, I love all the features. I love all the features.
We love that you cannot take a smile off of your face. That is what we love to see here. And we are so excited again that you have had this opportunity to be able to receive this F-150 Lightning. And as we turn back into the dealership here, we just want to say from everyone here at Hennessy Ford Atlanta, as well as Ford Motor Company, congratulations, so deserving. And we cannot wait to see where you go with this truck. Who knows, we might keep up with you and check in.
It'll be perfect. And I personally want to thank Hennessy Ford Atlanta for just having the opportunity to come and work with you. Lord, it was amazing. The entire team, staff greeted me with smiles, hugs, in a celebratory way. So I'm so grateful I picked this location. And if you are shopping for a Ford, you need to come here. You're going to get met with the extreme customer satisfaction, and I just love it all. I'm still smiling. My cheeks hurt, but I cannot stop smiling.
That is what we like to hear from Hennessy Experiences. So be sure to come out and see us if you are shopping for a new pre-owned or certified pre-owned vehicle. And as we park, we're going to do a quick little walk around so Mr. Bonner can check out all of the features of his truck. We're going to drive around the lot a little bit more so he gets a full understanding of this truck.
It is so smooth. I can see why it's on back order. I can see why people are so excited. I can see why people are ordering Ford F-150 so much. So we want to park at a really nice location so we can make sure nobody hits the brand new truck, people.
Looks like you're all ready to take on the new school year in style. Best wishes from Ford Motor Company and Hennessy Ford Atlanta.
Thank you. It's exciting.